How to create basketball jersey design in Canva. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, you will have to go to the canva.com and log in or sign up for a free account. After that, all you have to do is search for the template for the jersey. You can simply type down basketball jersey or jersey design template. You will get to see various options available in your screen. And all you have to do is scroll and tap on one according to your preferences and edit it. So you can see most of them are available in the Pro feature. So if you want to start a jersey design, then you will have to get a Pro feature for the easier method. Since you can clearly see, a Pro feature includes a various jersey design. But if you want to create a free one, then you will have to scratch from the base by your own. So it's better you get a Pro, and the 30 days are a free trial. Simply in the 30 days you can make the jersey using these templates. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.